Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to resolve this freezing of terraform apply command. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, this issue is still open on GitHub for Terraform. I have only tried this for Terraform provider AWS. Maybe if you are facing this for Google or some other provider, I think it will be more or less the same, because this solution which I'm going to tell you is not AWS specific. Also, I only have an M1 Mac, so I have only tested it on M1 Mac. Maybe this might help you to resolve for other OS or M2 Mac or whatever, or Intel Mac. So as you can see, I just have a simple Terraform code, like which creates an S3 bucket. So I'm not going into the code. What I'll do is I'll just do Terraform init. The Terraform init part works absolutely fine, but when I do Terraform plan, Terraform apply, or Terraform destroy, the command just hangs, and after sometimes it gives me an error. I will also show you what the error is. One more thing which I want to tell you is, I should have told you before running this command, but it's fine. Is just go to your applications over here, and here inside utilities you will find your terminal. Just right click on it, click on get info, and make sure this is unchecked open using Rosetta. So if you're on M1 back like me, or M2 or M3, make sure this particular option is unchecked. Okay, so this is very important. So I have already unchecked it. So here you can see Terraform and it runs fine. Now I will run Terraform plan. So sometimes this Terraform plan works without the solution which I'm going to tell you in a bit, but it does take a bit of time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like, it's extremely painful. Let's see if it works or not this time. So yeah, this might take a bit of time. So once I get any kind of error, or if it succeeds, then I'll come back and show you guys the output. I think it will give me an error. Okay, so as you can see over here, I'm getting this particular error and I don't know why. So to fix this, like in your case, you might not see anything and it just hangs on Terraform plan, or freezes on Terraform plan, or Terraform apply, or Terraform destroy, whatever. So first what you have to do is, I'll just copy this command. Okay, and I'll just paste it over here. Now I think you can add these things in Z shell as well, or in bash. I'm not an expert in Z shell or bash, that's why I'm just writing this command over here inside my terminal. But yeah, if you know how to do that, you can do that as well. I haven't tested it. Like I said, I'm not an expert in Z shell. Like, I like try avoiding touching those files. And then you need to paste this particular command: export go debug is equal to async pre empt of equal to 1. Now I will try to run Terraform plan. Let's see if this works or not. Now I'm not editing this portion out. Let's just wait. I think now it will succeed. So here you can see now it has succeeded. Now let me try running Terraform plan as well. I think Terraform sorry, not plan, apply. Hopefully this should work as well, and it should create an S3 bucket for me. So yeah, so here you can see it is asking me to create an S3 bucket. I'll quickly click yes, and here you can see it has created an S3 bucket, and I will destroy it as well. Terraform destroy. Okay, so here you can see it is destroying as well. So yeah, I'll just click enter. Yes to destroy. So hopefully you got the point. Yeah, that's how you can like, I wasted a lot of my time, and I was pretty frustrated. And also, whenever the command freezes or hangs, it uh, consumes a lot of memory on your laptop or on your PC. So hopefully this solution works for you as well. I think this is mostly related to macOS, or especially on M1, M2, M3. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Also, I'm using the latest version of Terraform, so yeah, make sure you install the latest version if things are still not working for you. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.